In the name of God, who is most merciful and gracious. I am Zubair Khan and you are watching my vlog. Shocking poll rigging is the topic for this short program. In general elections which were held in Pakistan on 8th of February 2024, rigging was reported at a very large scale. In this video, you are watching the votes of all the polling stations of one particular constituency where votes were cast. This is provincial Punjab Assembly constituency known as PP159. The shocking aspect of this rigging is that Mrs. Mariam Nawaz, who lost the election by 894 votes, was declared successful, and on the basis of this rigged success, she is taking the oath of Chief Minister of Punjab on Monday 26th of February 2024. Punjab is considered to be the largest populated province of Pakistan. Almost 55% of Pakistanis live in this province, which comes to almost 120 millions of people of Pakistan. Now in this video, the forms 45, it is the basic form which is filled in at each polling station. Now in this video, you are seeing the forms 45 of each polling station of this constituency, which are being displayed, and each form you can see the number of votes cast in favor of Mariam Nawaz and her opponent Meher Sharafat Ali, who was supported by PTI of Imran Khan. Constituency is 159, as I told you, of Punjab province, and now whatever you are seeing in the middle, it is the polling station. The numbers are changing. For example, this 67, 68, 69, and on the left side you are seeing the votes obtained by the Mariam Nawaz, and on the right side you are seeing the votes obtained by Meher Sharafat Ali of PTI, and each number which is changing in the middle, you can see the numbers are totaling up, and the total sum of votes, they are coming. The total of votes obtained are coming on left side as well as on the right side. In this constituency, almost 102 were the individual polling stations for which the forms 45 have been shown, and the aggregate or the total of the votes, they are being added after each polling station results are shown. So this was the total. Now as end result of counting of all the votes for this constituency, Mariam got 23,598 votes, while her opponent supported by Tehreek-e-Insaf got 24,492 votes. That means he got 894 more votes than Mariam. Now this is just an example, and from this shocking example one can make out what all had happened in whole general election of Pakistan.